Welcome to Vlogmas Day 10. Everybody's so sleepy. Miss Sniffles is sleeping. I won't cover your face. There you go. How's that? Hi, Sally. Hi, baby. Are you sleepy too? Okay. Get your little. Here's your little. Okay. There's your little washcloth blanket. There's your. Excuse me. I'm trying to make you warm. Put it on. Put it on. It's your little washcloth blanket. Take it. 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 There we go. There you go. All right. Fine. Pebble. Babies. The bean bean. Say hellos. Mis amigas. Hey, buddy. Yeah. Everybody's sleepy. So it's definitely Monday in my house. Nobody wants to wake up. I just got up and a little later than I expected. Still got plenty of time. I was actually leaving time to like edit the vlog and get it up, but I don't think I'll get that completed until later. So the vlog might go up later, but I am about to have some coffee. Take this Santa cup. I've been putting just like the teeniest tiny bit of stevia. Like literally that's it. I've cut way back when using sweeteners, so just a little bit. So I'm gonna have this coffee, and then as soon as I'm done with that, I'm gonna take a shower. I've got to be gone in about 2.5 hours, maybe slightly less than that, 2 hours 15 minutes. So I've got plenty of time to get everything done, but I think I'm going to film. I think I'm going to film with this bad boy today, so I'm excited to do that. That's kind of why I want to film, and it shouldn't take too long. I need to do my makeup anyway. I've been really neglecting that, so I think that's what we're gonna film with today. Hey guys, so this must be a real shock to see me in this much makeup after being completely makeupless for days. But I started filming a video, and then I was gonna like do most of my makeup and then go back to the product. And I was just liking the way it was turning out so much that I decided to wait on that. Did I make my eyes look really far apart? Weird. But I was really liking how it came out, so I just decided to finish it up, and I'm gonna finish filming that video when I get home tonight because I don't know, I just wanted to go ahead and do a really pretty look since I hadn't done makeup in so many days that I actually like. So yeah, this is it. So I am off to work now. I unfortunately work late into the night, but I am going to try to vlog some like on my lunch break. And I don't know, see what we can get into. I need to really start doing some Christmas shopping. There's not that many places in the mall that is good for the people I'm shopping for, unfortunately. But I might do a little bit of shopping and take you guys with me. So I'm off to work now, and I will talk to you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, it's now Tuesday the 11th, so Vlogmas Day 11. But as you can tell, I did skip a day of uploading vlogs, but I thought it might be better to kind of skip a day and just do like one better vlog. And I have a video that I really want to put up for you guys because I think it's kind of interesting and it'll be fun. So I might actually combine 3 days of Vlogmas together and put up a different video. I think I'm gonna do that. I started editing it, and I don't know, it's like, to me it's interesting, so hopefully you guys will find it interesting too. And I think I'll put that one up today, and then tomorrow you'll have 3 days of vlogs together. So we got to open some advent calendars for sure, which we'll do in just a little bit. Right now I'm making breakfast, so I've got my eggs. I've got my pan heating up right here. So today I'm having these Kodiak cakes, which are like protein pancakes. I've got my mix. I've just got to like mix it up. I've got 100% maple syrup. And then I've got my water heating up right here. Got a little oil in it, and I'm going to poach a couple of eggs, and then I will show you guys the finished product because right now it's just a mess, and I really need to clean my stove too. So disregard that. But yeah, poached eggs and protein pancakes. So I'll show you guys the final product. All right, so here's my little brunch. I've got my 2 poached eggs and these pancakes. pancakes look awful. I don't know what it was this time. They were sticking and I cooked them exactly the way I always do. I never have any problems, but today they just wanted to stick to the pan. But anyway, I made a little bit too much pancakes, but I'll probably eat most of it. I just made like one little batch. But yeah, there's my little brunch. Just have water in my Pusheen bottle, and that's it. I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Hey guys, it is now Wednesday night. It's about 8:30. I'm home from work. I had a pretty long day. By the way, my foundation, if you ignore the fact that it doesn't match my neck at all, I tried to make it match and it just doesn't. But if you just look at the finish, this is the Huda and I've had it on 11 hours. She's holding up pretty good. I feel like my face has like a soft focus effect right now. Something's weird. But I wanted to quickly chat with you guys. I just got a big old package. Look at the check, you know what that is. So let me tell you though, that I ordered this, whatever Candle Day was that the first? I feel like it was the first. And I just got it today, which I think is kind of long. But the bigger problem was that they like didn't ship it forever. I'm like, I know you guys are busy and you got a lot of candles going out, but y'all knew y'all was gonna have a lot of candles. But I did get my package, so I want to quickly tell you guys what I got. So I got two of my absolute favorite campfire donut. I love this one. I have this one on my coffee table right now, burning it up. Been burning that for a few nights. I just love this scent. I can't describe it, but it literally smells like you are sitting at a campfire with just a dozen of the most ooey gooey perfect donuts. So yeah, I really like this, and I love the like wood grain of the jars as well. You can see here. Also, while I'm thinking about it, I put a question in the community tab on my channel asking you guys about live streams, like what you'd be interested in, etc. So please go let me know there, or you can drop it down below too, like what you guys want to see, like what days of the week or times or whatever are better. And like if you're down to do live streams, like I know you can watch them at any point in time, but I would be doing it more so that I can like chat with you guys and like do that in the moment. So I'm more interested in like are you guys interested in watching it while it's live? And obviously, you know, if you can't watch it, I understand, and you want to watch it later, I love that. I think that's awesome. But yeah, so let me know either there or here. There, it's explained better in the community tab. So yeah, I also got blueberry sugar, which I'm kind of obsessed with. I love this one. It's definitely very sweet. To me, it almost smells like a blueberry jello, but the notes in this one are sweet blueberries, brown sugar, and graham cracker crust. I can kind of smell that graham cracker, but really it just smells like super sweet blueberry. I got creamy nutmeg. It's just got like a plain old silver, you saw my camera, but that's creamy nutmeg, and I love this one. I actually hadn't even smelled this one until I just got it, but it's grated nutmeg, cinnamon stick, sugared almonds, and creamy vanilla. That's nice. That's a fancy dessert in your kitchen. I got maple cinnamon pancakes. I am obsessed with this packaging. I actually think, I'm like, do I have one in this packaging already? I hope I do, because I kind of want to hoard one. Ugh, oh my god, I love this. You can smell like the nuttiness and the cinnamonness and the maple, which makes it super sweet. Like, this maple cinnamon pancakes, and I love the lid on this one too. It's really cute. I got the same lid on this one. This is apple garland, very similar packaging in the red. This is like red and red, just a different label. So apple garland is made with eucalyptus and cedarwood essential oils, notes of gala apple and mistletoe. Oh no. Oh, I don't love this one so much. It's the eucalyptus. I don't think I said that before about something. I'm not a big fan. This smells Christmassy though. Like, it's weird because I don't like love the scent itself, but it does kind of make me like reminisce, if that makes sense, or it like brings back memories of Christmas. So I will enjoy this scent, but it's not a scent where I'm like, oh my god, my favorite scent. You know what I mean? Does that make sense? Probably not. And then I got gingerbread and caramel. I'm actually loving the design on this one. Just a plain White Barn lid. That one's good. Gooey caramel, warm vanilla cream, and gingerbread spices. This has just enough of the gingerbread. I think for me, the caramel really sweetens it up, and you guys can tell I love sweet food scents. Like, if I could only pick one type of candle to have at all, like I had to pick one type, I would pick like something very food-like and sweet. That would be me. So now let's do some advent calendars so this clip is not 7 years long, and then I'm gonna wrap it up because this is gonna be 3 days of vlogs, and it's mainly just me doing advent calendars and being at home. But Saturday we're going to dinner for my birthday, Zach and I, and then Sunday my mom and Zach and I are gonna go do shopping, have dinner again. I don't know what all we're gonna get into, so those will be interesting days, and I'll probably do like specific, well no, I'll probably combine those simply because I don't want to deal with uploading on Saturday because I'm gonna be super busy. So probably like Sunday night I'll come home, unwind, and do that. So this is our last day of the Lottie 12. These things are falling. I've put some of these back in, and I really need to, I'm about to like take all of these out and like put them in my beauty room so I can try them out. So yeah, this is our last day of this poor beat up advent calendar. And the last one is a full size, which is really cool. It says, read me first, how to use. Apply an even coat to lips, leave dry for 1 minute, press lips together. Okay, so yeah, this is like one of those press and reveal type ones. I really don't have anything left on my lips, so let's give it a try. It smells like watermelon. I'm trying not to press my lips together really hard, but in a moment I will make this glittery for you. Okay, so we've got day 12, and our NYX sugar trip is right here. So let's see. This is the Land of Lollies blush, and the shade is called Lollipop Hop. Ooh, that's pretty. So that looks like a very peachy shade. And these are actually a really nice size if you think about it. Like, I could use a pan of blush like this for a long time because I'm always wearing different shades of blush to go with different looks. And you guys know, I don't put on a ton of blush either. So there's the NYX one, but that one is a full 24 days. So we've got many days to go in that one. Our first 12 days of socks is coming to an end. I've got one more left, and I think the socks have like floated around in here, but it's supposed to be this little raccoon, but I think I can just like pull it out. Thank goodness. And finally, the very last day, I get the ones I've been waiting on, the little raccoons. Ah, they're so cute. I have a really soft spot in my heart. Raccoons are something near and dear to me. Maybe one day I'll tell you the story because I want to get a tattoo for my brothers and a raccoon is involved. So I don't know, maybe I'll tell you the whole story one day, but I have a very soft spot in my heart for raccoons. Yeah, it's a warm and fuzzy feeling, you know. Ooh. Look how glittery. Definitely looks a little dry, but again, I've had like stuff on my lips all day that's kind of dried and worn off. So I will try this again using a lip scrub, maybe a balm underneath and see how it does, but it does feel a little dry. Feel Unique. Feel Unique little beauty parcel. Day 12. Living Proof Restore Mask Treatment. I need to try this because I definitely have some damaged hair. I noticed today, like not straightening, just blow drying, that my ends were looking like. Finally, the Look Fantastic. This is the Grow Gorgeous Thickening Hair and Scalp Mask. Well, how weird to have 2 hair masks on day 12 of both of these big advent calendars. Interesting. All right, guys, I'm going to wrap this up so you guys do not have to sit here any longer to get to the end of this video. So thank you so much if you watched this vlog. I don't even remember most of the stuff I filmed, but I feel like it was mostly 3 days of advent calendars. So if you watch this whole video, you are the real MVP. So let me know down below, what do you think of this lip? Does it look super dry or do you think it's still cute? I'm curious because I would like to wear like a glittery lip, but they're just like, most of them are really dry. Even the ones that are like gorgeous tend to be pretty dang dry. But yeah, that was the glitter switch, by the way. Glitter switch, glitter flip. And this shade is called Wanted. So that's what I have on. Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys so much. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And also don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Hit the bell twice if you want to know every time I upload. And definitely be on the lookout because I should have a giveaway up for you guys in a matter of a day or two. I've just kind of like get my stuff together and film a clip. So yeah, that will be another exciting one. And one of them will be ending very soon too. The one I did in my holiday gift guide. If you haven't watched that video and entered that giveaway, I will have that link below. But it's my holiday gift guide for her. You know what I'm saying? I think that's what it's called. So I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.